بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Brothers and sisters, almost 10-15 years back, I attended Saadullah Saab's first workshop, and I'm very thankful to my wife. She's been telling me to go. No? Okay. And I was telling, oh, what is that? I know about it and things like that. But she persistently told that you should attend that program. And then one fine day, I got up in the morning. It was announced after 1 month. So very hesitantly, I went, and it was in Alameen College, maybe about 15 years back, I think. So I attended the function. Within half an hour, I was totally engrossed as to what he was telling, and it was to my frequency. I all the time used to think that it's just not namaz and roza that makes us really something good, but it is the humanity, the human consideration of others, which should be the factor. And he was hitting it straight to the point. One by one, the topics he took, and he started telling it. I said, this is it. Finally, I have met a person who's going to really change me, and I'm going to get all my answers. The 3 days, I don't know how it went. If it was for 1 week also, I wouldn't have missed a single minute. It's just fantastic. And I think, as of I know, we don't have any such person who's going to give us this kind of knowledge. You have a lot of other people telling you about Islam and Deen and so many things, but you're losing on the basics. Once you know the basics, then everything else you understand. But thank Sadath Sahab for his long life, and may God bless him. And let every one of us take advantage of this. Don't take it easy. This is the way of life. This is understanding of life. Rest what your roza, your hajj, your zakat, it's your personal matter. Nobody else gets benefited out of it. What gets benefited is your behavior with the next person. Please do not look at the second person as a X, Y, Z, Hindu, this, that and all that. He is a human being. Please. Thank you, sir.